Ok, buenas noches chicos, soy la señora Saint y esta lección es sobre el condicional. El condicional es otro tiempo, it's another tense that we're going to learn. So, 3 questions you may have been asked, let me turn this, sorry, recently. Will you go to prom with me? Can you loan me 20 bucks? Would you go skydiving? So, these 3 questions. Let's talk about the first question. Will you go to prom with me? You may say yes, I will go with you. Or no, I would go, but I already have a date. Or I will be out of the country. When you say I would go, that's the conditional. So notice that you have 2 conditions here. I already have a date, or I will be out of the country. Somebody else may say the condition is like an excuse. But would go, this right here, that's the conditional. How about this question? Can you loan me 20 bucks? You say sure, or no, I would give you 20 bucks, but I'm broke. I would give, that's the conditional. It's called the conditional because there's the condition. What's the condition? I'm broke. So again, the condition is kind of synonymous with an excuse. How about the third question? Would you go skydiving? Yes, I would go skydiving, or no, I would not go skydiving. So, go skydiving, if you want to say would, this means this verb is going to be in the conditional. Notice how you don't have a but. Sometimes you don't have a condition. There's no but. Sometimes you see if. Yes, I would go if I weren't afraid of heights. If I weren't afraid of heights is still kind of an excuse. Okay, so conditional tense. You may see but, pero, not with 2 R's, that's el perro, like the dog. You may see if, si, no acento, or you may see neither one. It means would. How do you form it? Number 1, you need the infinitive. So here are our 4 verbs. Acompañar, ir, about the prom question, dar, about the 20 bucks, saltar con paracaídas, to jump with a parachute, basically go skydiving. Okay, so number 1, you have your infinitive. Number 2, add your endings. Here they are. Ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, ian. You may say, wait a minute, that looks like the imperfect. It does. However, remember we have to have the infinitive. So, here's our infinitive, acompañar, add my ending, ia, acompañaría. Or you want to use ir, iría. Dar, to give 20 bucks, daría. Saltar, add my ending, ia. So see how saltar, to jump, but by adding my ia ending, it's would jump. So you don't have to translate the word would. It's built in by putting your ending on. So the last thing I want to bring your attention to is what we currently have been studying is el futuro. So remember, whenever you learn something new, first go back to what you already know. Future means will. Here are your endings. Remember, these are the same for ER, AR, and IR. How is it different from the conditional? Well, the endings are different. Ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, ian. It doesn't mean will, it means would. You may see pero or si, you may not. Here's what they have in common. So both the future and the conditional add ending to the infinitive. They have the same set of irregulars. Remember our Harry Potter? So Harry Potter scores Quidditch Cup. He defeated the super powerful villainous Voldemort. So we have haber, poder, saber, querer, caber, hacer, decir, tener, salir, poner, valer, venir. Okay, so we have our same irregular stems, but instead of using these endings, we'll use these endings. Why? Because we want to say would. If we want to say will, we'll still use the future. There you have how to use the condicional. Okay? Hope this made sense. Hasta luego.